I chose School of Nursing to be able to help people in the community, to help the sick, to be a benefit to other people. I chose School of Nursing because of smaller class sizes, the teachers can give you one-on-one help, and there's always a demand for nursing.
I chose to go to KCN to provide a better future for my family. They helped provide that with the right equipment and that I'd be using on the job and flexible schedules.
Do you want to be on the right track? Come to Kansas College of Nursing and see if we are right for you. Come and enroll into Certified Nursing Aid or Certified Medication Aid programs. Courses as short as 3.5 weeks. Evening or weekend classes available. Come and see us at our new location in Lenexa. Call or visit our website at kansascollegeofnursing.com. Training healthcare professionals for the future.